What is the CompTIA A+ certification?
The CompTIA A+ certification is an entry-level credential designed for those starting a career in information technology. It validates foundational skills in IT support, hardware, software troubleshooting, networking, and cybersecurity basics. Widely recognized by employers, the A+ certification is often seen as a stepping stone into roles like help desk technician or support specialist.
Who should consider the A+ certification?
The CompTIA A+ is ideal for non-tech professionals looking to transition into the tech field. If you have little or no experience in IT, this certification offers an accessible entry point. It's designed for those eager to gain practical, hands-on knowledge and demonstrate their readiness for essential technology roles.
What does the CompTIA A+ cover?
The certification covers key areas such as installing and configuring operating systems, troubleshooting hardware and software, managing networks, and understanding basic cybersecurity. The exam emphasizes real-world scenarios and problem-solving skills, preparing you for the day-to-day challenges tech support professionals face.
The benefits of CompTIA A+ for beginners.
Getting A+ certified can make your resume stand out to employers seeking entry-level IT talent. It demonstrates your commitment to learning tech fundamentals. The certification can open doors to help desk, support, and technician roles, providing valuable experience that sets the foundation for future career growth.
Potential drawbacks to consider.
While the A+ is valuable for beginners, it's not always required for every entry-level job. Some may find the costs, exam fees, and study materials significant. Also, for those with a clear focus on specialized or advanced IT paths, a different starting point might be more suitable. Assess your goals before
Is CompTIA A+ worth it for you?
For most non-tech professionals seeking to break into IT, CompTIA A+ offers a solid, well-recognized launchpad. It helps you build technical competency and catch the attention of employers. If you want a broad foundation and you're willing to invest the time and effort, this certification can be well worth pursuing.